In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your E-Trade account. Giving your accounts clear, memorable names can make everyday investing simpler, especially if you juggle multiple portfolios for different goals. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your updated name shows up wherever you manage your money. Start on the main dashboard and look for the profile menu in the site's top navigation. This is your hub for personal settings and account level preferences. Open Profile, then head straight into Account Preferences. This section controls how your accounts look and behave from your perspective, including display names, which is exactly what we want to change today. Inside Account Preferences, you'll see a list of your accounts grouped by type, such as brokerage, retirement, or custodial. Click the specific account you want to rename. If you manage several accounts of the same type, double-check details like the last few digits of the account number or the current nickname so you know you're editing the right one. Remember, this rename is a display nickname for your convenience. It doesn't alter the legal title or ownership of the account. With the account selected, find the account information area and click Edit. This opens the fields where you can update the nickname. Choose a name that helps you recognize the account at a glance, something like Emergency Fund, Long-Term Growth, or Roth 2045. Keep it short and descriptive, and avoid including any sensitive personal information. Many platforms support letters, numbers, and basic punctuation, but it's smart to stay simple to ensure the name appears cleanly across pages and devices. Once you've typed your new nickname, use the on-screen option to apply the change. You should see the updated name reflected on your dashboard in drop-down menus for transfers or trading, and in other places where account names appear. If you don't notice it immediately, give it a moment and refresh the page. The same nickname typically carries over to the mobile app, so you'll get consistent labeling whether you're on desktop or on the go. A quick recap of the path you'll follow. Open Profile, go to Account Preferences, select the account you want, then use Edit under Account Information to change the nickname. That's all there is to it. Clear, consistent names make it easier to pick the right account every time, reduce mistakes, and keep you focused on your goals. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.